Now here are some features like home. These are some of our features like image and video chat, visualization laboratory, motivational AI assistant, gamified learning, which will give you some badges on basis of the learning streak you have. We have resources session also for the query you ask or the topics in which you find difficulty. We have self-evaluation tool which will generate some test for you depending on the level of questions which you choose and level of number of questions which you choose. We have our integrated code editor in which you can write, edit, and perform all coding stuffs. And we have AI Socratic chat assistant. Now we will go for login part. This is our home, and now let's do login. Yes, now we have logged in. So let's go to our profile. This shows everything about our progress. More precisely, DSA progress, like what we have did in stack, use, linked list, array, and all the other topics. And this is the batch which we have been given from the application. That is Striver batch. Striver batch is the beginner batch, and this is our streak for 2 days of consecutive active days. As this will increase, we will get new badges. This is just for motivation of students. This is activity heat map, which you can see that we have 2 days of consecutive streak on this application. Now let's go to home and try our code editor. We can select different languages. Now for now select Java. Okay, let's do it in Python. Let's keep it simple. Let's run the code. Yeah, this is our output. Okay, this is theme option also. You can make it dark or light depending on the user's choice. Now let's move back to home for other features. And these are some algorithms, precisely DSA algorithms for students, which they can refer to. Let's take bubble sorting algorithm. This is the details which we have provided, pseudocode, sample test case, and just can from here students can go to code editor and do their coding stuff. So let's come back and go into main feature like interactive lesson. This is actually a visualization laboratory for different algorithms. Like let's select selection sort. Now this is showing that how actually the process takes place, how the sorting actually takes. We can also control speed and array size, and can also generate new arrays. As we can see that sorting is taking place. It's quite cool, and it will make the student understand better what actually is going on. Yes, the sorting is completed now, and so for every algorithm, student can refer to it for better understanding. Now let's go for our main part, AI assistant. This is the user interface. Now let's talk about any topic like stack. So suppose I want to know that what is stack. Yeah, this will obviously not give us the direct answer, but will follow the Socratic learning method and will ask us question after question to make us reach the answer by our own self. So see, it's asking question, can you tell me what are some common characteristics of the last in first out data structure and how a stack can be implemented to exhibit those characteristics? Yes, this is our response. Now we will not always give correct answer. Let's see what it's giving us. Absolutely, you are on the right track. Now it's throwing another question at me. Now can you think of a real world example or scenario where the LIFO property stack would be properly useful. Yes, we can take, think of a ticket counter. So let's give it in response. Yes, praised our example. Now it again throwed me with a new question. When a customer take a ticket, they get most recent one printed, which is on the top. Now, can you explain how this last in first out property could be useful when implementing a function or method that needs to be remembered? Okay, now this will continue until we reach the exactly correct answer. Let's give it something that student may give, like I just required the answer and not the questioning stuff. Give me direct answer. Let's see what will it give. Yes. So if you were to design a function that needs to remember its last, again it's not giving the answer that what it is expected to do. It will not give direct answer unless and until user is too desperate. Again I will ask to give me the direct answer. See, if you were to implement this function using a stack, at what point in the function you add an input to the stack? Again, it adding asking me a question. So let's answer it. Now it's again asking me a question. That's the great functioning of the application, and this is what we expected from it. Now it can also give some code and all, like just asking for a sample code for stack. Let's see what it gives. It's again asking some basic questions to make us reach the final answer instead giving us the answer. Okay, that's nice, nice, and that is the expectation from this model. Okay. So now let's go back to self-evaluation part. Yes, this is the part on which student can go, and if they are finding any topic difficult, then they may give a test here. Like we select graph. Now we have to choose a number of questions. Let's select 5. Level, let's make it to medium. Yeah, these are some MCQs. Let's fill random. Let's fill B to every question. We are just giving random response. Yes, it has given you the score. You answered 2 out of 5 questions correctly. Yes, now student can judge themselves on a particular topic, and it has already showed that we have a progress of one task in graph as we did it in the MCQ generator part. So it got updated here in our profile. Now let's come to multimodal learning. Here we can choose any file. Let's select image. Let's ask the query. What is this image about? Okay, submit it. Yeah, this is the audio output.
This image is about a
Take
young
the playback and download. We can download it also, and this is the response. This image is about a young man immersed exactly. This is giving the correct response. Similarly, we can also post any image having some questions or all, which student will might ask regarding any doubts which they have. Yeah, this is our new feature for resources where student can search for a particular topic and can get resources without going outside of the application. These are some resources, video resources, some articles. So can play the video in the application itself. So let's once again visit the multimodal learning to this video part. Let's choose a file. This is basically about C++ hello world coding. Yes, we can ask query that what is happening in the video at 50 seconds. Let's submit the query. So likewise, student can mention particular timestamps and resolve their doubts if they have any in any videos. Same for image part also. And here we are using Gemini 1.5 Pro. It's taking time because it's video. Though Gemini can take 1 hour of continuous video at 50 seconds in a video, the code cout hello world is being typed with the main function okay. And this is the audio output, exactly given the correct answer. So this is how the student can resolve their doubts. In email also we already showed that how this is possible. In voice also, this is our upcoming feature which will come in 1 to 2 days. So this was all about our platform, which is a full-fledged learning platform for DSA, in which student can learn about any topic which they want, can try code editor, can explore algorithms, can have interactive lessons, can interact with our AI assistant, can evaluate themselves on any particular topic, can go for multimodal feature which have uh, integrated in the application, can search for resources, and can do many other stuffs like can go to their profile. Yes, to see how much badges they have earned or number of streaks. So this was all. Thank you. Have a nice day.